Good morning, all of you. I want to give you some message for tree plantation and environmental importance. What are importance of environment? What are importance of trees? What are importance of water conservation in our society, in our country, in our schools, college, university, etc. Every human must care for environment. Every human must grow tree plantation for good environment because these these plants are very important for us because we get oxygen from these tree plants and we cannot survive without tree plantation. So every person must grow tree plantation, every person must care for the conservation of water, and we must care for the environment, we must care for the society. How can get good quality of forestry, good quality of wild animals. This is very important for every person. At first, these peoples are depending on the oxygen. We get oxygen from these trees, plants. Look at this. This is mango plant. This is flower plant, and every person must grow plants. Every person must grow one plant at least in this country to grow good in environment in our country. This is very important for ecosystem. We must preserve conservation of water. We must keep importance of trees, plants, environment. I think every person, every man, every human, every student, every teachers, leaders must grow at least one plant to keep good environment. So this is responsibility for not only for one person, this is responsibility for every person of this country, every person of this world. If you want to survive in this country, if you want to get some good life, then you must maintain this ecosystem. Along with, we must care for tree plantation to grow more than more trees, to grow more good factors which how can affect these climates, this temperature, this ecosystem. So I want to give message all of the people of the country and the world. Please grow at least one plant for your life and other coming generation because all over India and all over the world are presenting to try to grow many plants in this country, in this world, because अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं, अगर पेड़ नहीं तो हम नहीं. I think this is a very important project for us and our country. So we must prevent tree plantation. We must care for persons who are very important. These plants, these trees are very natural for surviving human. So we must care how can develop our good environmental factors. Teachers, students, leaders, and etc. Many citizens of this country are responsible to get good climate, good environment. Rain problem is also in our country. We must try to get this type of questions. I will ask many questions to many people. What are importance of these tree plants? What are importance of conservation of water? Because these factors are affect our life. We cannot survive without water conservation, without these tree plantation. One drop of water is very precious than diamond. because nobody can be survive this valuable matter, that is water. Water is one of the most valuable thing, valuable factor of this world. So we must not wastage any drop of water. We must not wastage any affecting climate factor. So we must care. We must save our earth. We must grow. At last, I want to say, please help the people to set up good, good to set up good condition of earth. So we must balance, we must grow up these plants, we must develop. So every persons are responsible for this factor. So I request all of the persons of this country, all of the people, please save humans life. So you should save earth. So at first we must save water conservation. One drop of water is a valuable thing. Save earth, save environment, grow more and more more plant, tree in your locality, in your society, in your schools, college, university, factories, etc. Every persons are responsible to manage this climate, to manage this ecosystem. So please save this country, please save this earth, please protect water conservation. Thank you very much. Thank you.